Welcome to the English class, children. Today we are going to discuss about a chapter from the grammar textbook. The name of the chapter is Verbs and Kinds of Verbs. What is a verb? Yes, verbs are doing words or being words for some time. Verb is the main part of the sentence. Verb tells us two things about the subject: action or activity performed by the subject or a state of being of the subject. In other words, state or situation of the subject. Let's see some examples of action words. Children read book regularly. Superman is flying in the sky. I ride bicycle regularly. Here in these sentences, the words read, flying and ride are action words. They tell us what these people do. Such doing words or action words are called verbs in grammar. Now let's see some examples of verbs that tell us state or being words. She feels happy today. I'm a boy. He is a policeman. Look at the first sentence. She feels happy today. In this sentence, the girl feels happy. So, the word feels here is a stative verb as it defines the state of a girl. Now, the second sentence, I'm a boy. Here, am is a being word. It tells us about me, whether I am a boy or a girl. See the third sentence. He is a policeman. Here, the word is tells us about the man being a police. Such being words are also called verbs. So, the verbs tell us about the action or state of the subject. The words which show the possession are also called verbs. Examples: the nightingale has a sweet voice. We have a beautiful garden. In these sentences, the words has and have shows the possession. In the first sentence, the word has tells us about the nightingale. That means the nightingale possesses a sweet voice. In the second sentence, the word have shows the possession. It tells us that we possess a beautiful garden. So, the words which show the possession are also called verbs. So, a verb is a word that denotes an action or being or possession. Now let us see the object of the verb. Objects are words that directly or indirectly receive the action of the verb. Objects also add to the meaning of the verbs. Look at the following sentences, children. The gardener waters. Saurav reads. The rabbit hoped. These sentences have subjects. In the first sentence, the subject is the gardener. In the second sentence, the subject is Saurav. And in the third sentence, the subject is the rabbit. However, we don't know what these subjects are doing or have done. For example, what the gardener waters, what Saurav reads, why and where the rabbit hoped, that we don't know. The verbs waters, reads and hoped should be followed by some word or words to make their meaning clear. Now, look at the following sentences. The gardener waters the plants. Saurav reads a book. The rabbit hoped in the garden. These sentences have subjects and objects. These sentences tell us what the gardener waters, what Saurav reads, and why and where the rabbit hoped. The words The plants, a book, in the garden are added to the verbs to complete their meanings, and these words are objects. If we frame a question using the verb with the word what or whom, the word that answers the question is the object of the verb. So, objects are words that directly or indirectly receive the action of the verb. Object also add to the meaning of the verbs. Okay children, I hope you all understood about the verbs. We will learn more about the verbs, that is, the kinds of verbs in the following classes. All of you read the textbook and try to do the exercises in the textbook. We'll meet in the next class children. Take care. Thank you and have a good day.